Okay, here are our ingredients. We've got stovetop stuffing. We've got chicken in a can. I would have preferred to get the Tyson chicken packets, but I couldn't find them at the store. And we've got turkey gravy, and we've got craisins for the cranberries. First I grabbed about 2 or 3 cups of water. And now I'm going to add the chicken that I drained some of the juices and stuff out. You can probably keep the juices if you really want to. Okay, chicken in. Next is the stuffing. Perfect. Stuffing is in. And now I'm going to add the 2 packets of cranberries here. Or craisins, if you will. Alright, let's get that boiled up. Okay, so what I did here was I built a fire, let it burn down to coals, and then I stuck the pot on, kind of leveled them out, poked them around to where I want them. And so that way it won't boil too quickly, won't burn. And of course you'll probably want to mix it up, stir it a little bit from time to time just to check it. My guess is it's going to probably take, 20 minutes to a half an hour. Okay, now the stuffing and chicken and cranberry mixture is starting to boil. So I'm just stirring it and keeping an eye on it and letting it thicken up a little bit so that we can put the gravy on. And I've got the gravy on. I just dumped the packet of gravy in about a cup of water, and I'm going to boil that too. Okay, everything's about ready as much as it's going to be. Things turned out a little soupy. I probably added too much water, which is common considering I don't have a measuring cup with me. So let's serve it up. There's Nathan's. Alright, there's mine. And let's pour a little gravy on it. It's pretty runny. Didn't say I'm a chef. Alright, let's try it out now. Alright folks, now it's time for the taste test. That's not bad. Little soupy in texture, but that's probably the way I cooked it. The flavors are right on. Not bad. This will work for a backcountry dinner here in the beautiful Weminuche Wilderness in southwestern Colorado. This is John with Star Mountain Outdoors and Bushcraft, signing off. Have a good one.